Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I'm going to fry this tilapia fish. This is one big piece of frozen tilapia fish and came in a package, and I'm going to fry this one, and this one will go great with some fried rice. So let me just put it in the oil. I got a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'll put it on that. Added little bit of salt and turmeric to this fish, and that's all. I'm going to add only salt and turmeric. Now if you want to make it spicy when it's all fried up, then you can add little bit of spices. So as you can see, I put my fish in the oil. This is like little bit of. So as you can see, I put my fish in the oil, and I put a one big tablespoon of oil, and just do that. I'm going to fry it. So I'm not going to deep fry or anything, just a slightly fried, but I'm going to fry it longer, about 5 minutes on each side, altogether maybe 10 minutes. So this is how it's going to get fried. I might put a slightly cover it so it'll be cooked while getting fried. And then when one side is done, then I'm going to turn it to the other side. Otherwise there are more chances of breaking up if you don't wait till one side is done. So this is my tilapia fish fry with very minimum oil, 1 teaspoon oil. I fried one large piece of tilapia. This was frozen tilapia from Walmart. So this is extremely tasty, and I added only salt and turmeric, nothing else. You can add a little bit black pepper if you like, or any kind of spices if you like, but this is really tastes awesome. You can put it in between sandwich. You can eat it just like this or eat it with rice. It's great. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.